Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this PyTest framework series. In last video, I have covered how to achieve data provider concept. Means we can execute single test case with multiple sets of data. This is a code. This test validate header. This method we have executed with different sets of data. And we have executed this on Chrome browser. Now we'll go to the official website. So this is the official website of PyTest document. And I have already covered how to parameterize fixtures and how to parameterize test cases. Now this concept is left, that is pytest generate test. So basically this allows one to define custom parameterization scheme. Custom parameterization means for this test validate header test cases, we have hard coded the browser value, that is a Chrome, in this conftest.py file. But I want to pass this at runtime, or while executing this test case through command line, I want to pass this parameter. Then how to achieve it? Means we are customizing the parameters in the conftest.py file. So if I click on this link, then we will get the document details for this concept. And here we can see that we have to add this pytest hyphen add options method in the in conftest.py file method. I will use same code which I have used in my previous video, and that video is how to parameterize test case in pytest. So before watching this video, I request you to watch that video. Now I want to parameterize this browser option, means while executing through command line or through terminal, I want to pass this value. Means I want to execute like this, pytest, then I have to pass the file name, python add-ons slash test data provider dot py, then hyphen phi hyphen s, and I want to pass the parameter like this, hyphen hyphen browser, and then its a value is Chrome. Instead of hard coding here, I want to pass like this. We'll see how to achieve this. So for that, we have to add this method pytest add option. I want to pass this option, so we have to add this method pytest underscore add options, and here I have to add the parameter. Now I want to pass parameter as a browser. Okay, I will remove other code. Now we have added the option hyphen hyphen browser, so that we can add the option while executing through command line or through terminal. Now how to detect or how to get this option? So for that we have to define one more fixture. So I will define one more fixture, and it's a scope, as I have defined scope as a class. So here also I have to pass the scope as a class, and now we will define one method browser, and here we have to pass the request parameter. Means through request I will fetch this option, and it will simply return request dot config dot get option, and here we have to pass the option. So I have added this hyphen hyphen browser option, so I have to pass same here, hyphen hyphen browser. So I am fetching this option. Here in initial setup we have to remove these params because we want to fetch it from command line or through this fixture. So that's why we have to pass the fixture here, and fixture name is browser, and we have to modify here. We are getting the options from this browser method, so that's why we have to modify code like this. If browser equal to Chrome, then it will execute or it will launch Chrome browser, and if browser equals to Firefox, then it will open Firefox browser, and rest code will be same. So what we have done, I want to parameterize or I want to pass the parameters from command line, this browser. So that's why I have added this method pytest underscore add options, and here I have added option browser. We can add more options as well, but right now I'm adding only browser here, and I have created one more fixture which will give me these options. I have passed this fixture in this method or in this fixture. Now we'll execute the code and check. We'll execute same file here, test data provider demo, pytest, then python advanced. We have to pass the file path as python -advanced slash test data provider .py. Then -p -s for printing console output, and then -- browser. We have to pass the Chrome here. So let's execute on Chrome. Now we can see test case is started. It have collected 3 items, and first it is executing on standard user credentials. Then the second set of credentials, it is login, and this is a third set. So same test case is executed 3 times on the Chrome browser. Now we can see one test case is failed and 2 passed, because this is expected. With these 2 credentials, 2 sets of credentials, that is standard user and performance glitch user, these are the valid credentials, so it will log in. So these 2 test cases will be passed, and with third credentials, locked out user, it will not, this is an invalid credential, so test case is failed. So here in console also we are getting 1 fail and 2 pass. And if we scroll up, now we can see with standard user and secret source, with these credentials test case is passed, and with second set of credentials again it is passed, and with third it is failed. No such element exception it is throwing, because after logging it is trying to find this header and section name. That's why this is giving no such element exceptions. So like this way we can customize execution of test case on different browsers. So we'll execute on Firefox as well. So same test case, instead of Chrome I will pass Firefox, and we will see again 3 items have collected, and with first set of credentials it have logged into that, it will launch. So, and this is the second set of credentials, it will log in, and this is the third set of credentials. So test case is executed with 3 sets of data. We are getting 2 test cases pass and 1 fail. And if we see in details, so with this set of credentials, standard user and secret source, the test case will pass, and with performance glitch, with that credentials also test case will pass, and for this is an invalid credential, so test case will fail, and it will give no such element exception for finding the header and section title. So this is how we are parameterizing, or we are customizing execution of test case with different browsers through command line. So like this way we can achieve customization of test cases through command line. In project also we have to pass these parameters like browser information and environment. This information we have to pass at runtime. So we can pass this information like this way. So this is all about today's video. If you like this video, then please click on like button and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video.